Disclaimer. The videos are purely for educational purposes. The intention is to guide the students to fare well in their term end examinations of their professional courses. I will not be contacting any of the subscribers or followers with messages regarding private tutoring or any money transactions. If anybody does message you, please report them and block them immediately. Professor K.M channel will not be responsible for the actions by the imposters with the same name.
Welcome to my channel. I am Professor K.M. Mahadevappa, faculty for Master of Commerce in Bangalore for the last 40 years. For the benefit of students of MCOM of all of the universities, I have just taken one of the papers, Organisation Theory and Behaviour, in the curriculum of MCOM, and I have tried to give answer to one of the questions that are likely to be appearing in the final examinations of MCOM, in particular reference to Organisation Theory and Behaviour. The question is, what are various principles of management? How is modern organization different from typical classical organizations in terms of practices of various principles of management? The answer is as below. Henry Fayol, also known as the father of modern management theory, gave a new perception of the concept of management. He introduced a general theory that can be applied to all levels of management and every department. The Fayol theory is practiced by the managers to organize and regulate the internal activities of an organization. He concentrated on accomplishing managerial efficiency. The 14 principles of management created by Henry Fayol are explained below. First one is division of work. Henry believed that segregating work in the workforce amongst the workers will enhance the quality of the product. Similarly, he also concluded that the division of work improves the productivity, efficiency, accuracy, and speed of the workers. This principle is appropriate for both the managerial as well as a technical work level. Authority and responsibility. These are the two key aspects of management. Authority facilitates the management to work efficiently, and responsibility makes them responsible for the work done under their guidance or leadership. Discipline. Without discipline, nothing can be accomplished. It is the core value for any project or any management. Good performance and sensible interrelations make the management job easy and comprehensive. Employees' good behavior also helps them smoothly build and progress in their professional careers. Fourth one is unity of command. This means an employee should have only one boss and follow his command. If an employee has to follow more than one boss, there begins a conflict of interest and can create confusion. The fifth one is unity of direction. Wherever it is engaged in the same activity should have a unified goal. This means all the persons working in a company should have one goal and motive, which will make the work easier and achieve the set goals easily. The sixth one is subordination of individual interest. This includes a company should work unitedly towards the interest of a company rather than personal interest. Be subordinate to the purposes of an organization. This refers to the whole chain of command in a company. 7 is remuneration. This plays an important role in motivating the workers of a company. Remuneration can be monetary or non-monetary. However, it should be according to an individual's efforts they have made. 8th one is centralization. In any company, the management or any authority responsible for the decision-making process should be neutral. However, this depends on the size of an organization. Henry Fayol stressed on the point that there should be a balance between the hierarchy and division of powers. The 9th one is the scholar chain. Fayol on this principle highlights that the hierarchy steps should be from the top to the lowest. This is necessary so that every employee knows their immediate seniors Also, they should be able to contact any if needed. The order. A company should maintain a well-defined work order to have a favorable work culture. The positive atmosphere in the workplace will boost more positive productivity. Equity. All employees should be treated equally and respectfully. It is the responsibility of a manager that no employees face discrimination. 12th one is stability. An employee delivers the best if they feel secure in their job. It is a duty of the management to offer job security to their employees. Initiative. The management should support and encourage the employees to take initiatives in an organization. It will help them to increase their interest and make them work. Esprit de corps. It is the responsibility of the management to motivate their employees and be supportive of each other regularly. Developing trust and mutual understanding will lead to a positive outcome and work environment. These 14 principles of management are used to manage an organization and are beneficial for prediction, planning, decision making, organization and process management, control and coordination. Today, there are two main flows of organizations run concurrently. One traditional organization established in between 20th century, another is modern organization emerged in this ongoing century. There are huge differences between these two trends. Why the traditional organizations criticize the modern as a misguided and vulnerable organization? What is the real fact? Generally, the meaning of organization is an entity comprising multiple people, such as an institution or an association that has a collective goal and is linked to an external environment. Traditional organization represents the organizational structure in a business is hierarchical, meaning power flows vertically and upward, and employees are departmentalized. All employees follow a chain of command, such as manager is the chief coordinator of all departments. Each department has a head who reports to the manager. Like the military system, very hierarchical, organized, disciplined. Every department has its own rules and regulations, as well as, and every employee has own job description and accountability to his superiors. They is strictly follow their own business strategy that is set in annual economic year. All the goal achievements plan are set before and difficult to change. Always, traditional organization is fixed and rigid. Modern organization means a boundaryless organization which are networking together and collaborating more than ever before. They are well suited for rapid innovation and therefore ideal for companies in the growing technology industry. Its main concept is to diversify its activity and connectivity. As a result, it can accept new challenges and can set a goal frequently. Modern style of management largely depends on soft skills, consensus building, relationships, listening, and understanding, taking the team along with you willingly than dragging them along with you. And this is the model answer that you can perhaps answer first, the question that is already been shown to you. All the best and thank you. You will receive many more videos on the subjects in the due course from my channel. Thank you. Happy New Year.